27. After this comes 28, 29 and finally 30, and then we're finished. 27 days gone so far. Today is the 27th day of 30 Days of Photoshop with me, Kevin Aronson from Hampshire School of Photography, and today is another fun one. Today we're going to look at replacing colours. So you've got something on your photo, you don't like the colour, you're going to change it to a different one. Let's see how you do it. I think it's time we had a bit more fun, and today we are going to look at something called, if I can find it, something called replace colour. So image menu at the top, drop down to adjustments, drop down to replace colour. From time to time we don't like the colours of things, so we like to change them, and we're going to change the colour of this chicken's, is that called a waddle from memory? I can't remember. This the skin red thing that they have, whatever. We're going to sample it, so we need to make sure we've clicked the eyedropper there, and we click on the thing we're going to change the colour of. So I'm just going to click on that, and it's detected red, which is excellent because it is red, and at the moment it's going to replace it with red. We don't want that, we want a different colour. Let's pick yeah, we'll go green. So the idea is that we will go from red to green. There's a fuzziness control here which increases or decreases the accuracy of the colour transition. It's kind of helpful, but the least if we can use that as least as possible, we'll end up with a better shot without other colours in the image being affected. And the way we do this now is that we're going to take multiple samples of this red thing around its face, woggle. Someone will write in and tell me what it's called. And we do that by using, we can either click on the plus sign here, or we can just hold the shift key down and watch what happens to the cursor when I hold the shift key down. Got a plus sign. So now I'm just going to click on all the areas of this waddle thing, pink thing, red around the eye there. Gosh, that's it, 3 clicks. Oh, there's a bit red there. 4 clicks. Some of the skin in there is just showing through, so we'll just click on that as well. And he has gone completely green. Completely green. Pretty sure he has. Okay. If I take the fuzziness down now, so I can now just fine tune it so I use the least amount possible. Still got some red in the eye, a little bit of red in the eye, but I reckon that's probably good enough. What about saturation? A little less saturated? See, I think it looks better less saturated, it looks more realistic, and we'll go with that. That was easy, wasn't it? We'll try one more. So we go to image and adjustments, and we go to replace color, and this time we're going to click on the color square at the top, and now we're going to select the green baize of the snooker table. Boom. So it has picked the green correctly, so we click OK. What color should we change it to? Blue? Red? Red's cool. Maroon kind of red. Yeah, that'll do. And without additional samples, you can see we've still got some green stuff going around the edge, so I'm going to hold down the shift key again, click on the sides. Oh, look at that, first time. And maybe if we push the saturation up a bit. You see, I think just along the top there's some areas that just aren't quite, they're not quite there. Let's try that. That's better. That's better. Lovely. There we go. There you go. A bit of fun for today. Enjoy. See you again tomorrow. So at this point, you probably need to check out phototeacher.blog, where we run all 30 days of Photoshop. All 30 days are on there, available to anybody completely free of charge. On the other hand, if you're looking for a proper workshop in a classroom with a teacher me. Then we have a training centre in Fleet, which is in North Hampshire. And there we run workshops, not just on Photoshop, but also Lightroom. And of course, we've got a full range of photography workshops. Now, there are workshops there designed for complete beginners through to those who want to go professional, everything in between. Some of them run for a day, some for over a number of days, and there are a couple of workshops or courses that run over the course of a year for those who have the time and the inclination to take it a bit more seriously. So for that, you need our main website, which is gohsp.com. gohsp.com. HSP is Hampshire School of Photography. Thanks so much for watching today. Hope we see you back again tomorrow.